Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Maddie Lambert channel analytics. She has uploaded 350 videos. She now has 1.54 million subscribers with a total view of 145,588,903 views. Her channel type is film. She created her channel since August 2, 2017. The grade she got is B. She ranked at 829th in people. Next, the daily subs for Maddie is around 334 with a daily view of 33,431. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 34,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $136. Then, monthly income will be $4,080. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $2,244 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $26,928. That is how much Maddie Lambert earns from YouTube.